Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode. With today, we're taking a look at some wireless Bluetooth earbuds with ENC and 4 microphones. And you're currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're taking a look at the Truefree A1 wireless Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds, and these earbuds are equipped with 4 different noise cancellation microphones. It has ENC, which is environment noise cancellation for calls when you're talking to people on the phone. These also have 14.2 millimeter drivers for immersive sound, which is good to see. These earbuds also support touch control. You can utilize one of them if you want to and have solo earbuds, so you can have one in and then one inside the charging case. You can get up to 18 hours of playtime with these earbuds, so that's pretty decent. And these earbuds also, have USB-C charging, so it's good to see that they have included some newer technology within these earbuds. As always, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description of this video, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying these earbuds. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. Here is the packaging of the Truefree A1 earbuds. In all of the box, we have a few specifications and details about these earbuds. But now, let's proceed with the unboxing. And inside this box, we get our only accessory, which is our USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable. We also get included a user manual, and this user manual goes into greater details about these earbuds. But now, let's shift our focus onto the main highlight, and that is the earbuds. The earbuds come in a nice case, and you can see that overall, the earbuds look really nice and simple. I do love the minimalistic design that they went, and overall, they just look really nice. Here is everything that's included with the packaging. So now let's proceed with testing out these earbuds. Let me open up the charging case, and I just really love the sleek design that they went with the case and also the earbuds. With it just being one color, it's really simplistic. It doesn't, cause a lot of distraction. And these earbuds in a way kind of remind me of Apple AirPods because of how sleek and also how it's just one color. I do like that a lot with these earbuds. And I'm gonna put my right side in my right ear, my left side in my left ear, and now we have these earbuds inside my ear. And I can already tell there is a little bit of noise cancellation. I believe these earbuds are already on and powered and ready to go. I think they're charged up fully, so we should be good to go. And this is my right side right here, and then this is my left side. And let's see, does it pass my shake test? I think it does. Even with me moving around, these are not coming off, so that's good. Obviously, I'm not gonna know until I test these out for longer periods of time though. So now let's proceed to my phone, and we're gonna connect to the Bluetooth of these earbuds. So let me go into my Bluetooth settings here, and we're gonna connect to these earbuds. Let me scroll all the way down, and you can see we have available devices, and it says Truefree A1. So all you gotta do is connect to that. It's gonna pair up. It's gonna ask you to, confirm that you want to pair up with this. And it looks like I can already, yep, it's even telling me pairing successful, connected, so we're good to go. And I have about 90% of battery right now, so I'm good to go. But let me quickly find a song and we'll test out the sound quality of these earbuds. Let me play the song and gradually increase my volume. But so far the music quality is not bad, and I'm only about halfway. Almost max volume. Max volume. So far the quality is not bad though. And there's bass, the mids are there. But the music quality is not muddy, which is good. That's a good thing actually. Let me get to this bass part of the song just to really see if it, kind of drowns out the bass or if it's too much bass. No, it's pretty good, balanced. Not too strong, but it's also really, it sounds really good. Let me give you guys a sound sample and take these off. You guys can kind of see it doesn't sound bad. Obviously with my lav microphone, it's not going to pick up the sound quality the best way, so do keep that in mind. But yeah, it doesn't sound bad though. Alright, I think we kind of get the music though. There's actually a few touch control settings you can also configure with these earbuds. You know, if you look inside the manual here, they actually showcase some of the different things you can do. Like there's a list, there's a diagram. If you guys want to take a pause and look at that, you can. And then there's also a list in text. So some of the text stuff right here on the side shows you some of the touch control button settings you can actually do. For instance, one of the features is, you know, play and pause. If I double tap, it should start playing my music here. Let me do that again. There we go. You can see that it starts playing the music. Another feature is, you know, I can decrease the volume. So if I single tap, I'm pretty sure, on the left side, yeah, my volume starts going down, and I can take the volume down with the earbuds without taking them off. And the same thing with the right side. If I click up one time, it actually increased the volume. So touch control works with these earbuds. And also there is also that solo mode I was talking about. So like, let's say for instance, I take away my left earbud. I'm gonna put the left side inside the charging case. And yeah, the right side's still playing. And now let's do a switch. So let's say I take the left one out, take the right one, put it inside. Would the music start playing? Oh, it paused. Okay, so if I click play, let's see. Yep, connected, and it starts playing. So you can use one side if you ever needed to just use one earbuds with these earbuds. But now let's take the earbuds out of the charging case again, and I'm gonna put these in my ear so we can actually test out the noise cancellation microphones that are actually built in. So once I click on this red button right here, it's actually gonna start recording the audio coming out of these earbuds. So right now we're testing out the Truefree A1 wireless earbuds. How good is the audio within the microphones? Is it loud and direct? Can you hear me really nicely and clear? Or is there a lot of static noise or interference, or does my voice sound robotic? You know, a lot of earbuds, a lot of headphones, you know, it's just, you know, a lot of them sound robotic. So maybe this will be the one that doesn't sound robotic, but obviously once I, you know, listen back to this audio, I guess I'll find out. These earbuds also do have that ENC, like I mentioned. So ENC is that environment noise cancellation, and that's good for like if you're outside or if you're in an environment where it's kind of too noisy. That's going to help to kind of eliminate some of that background noise. So hopefully it's doing a good job of trying to cut out like my AC running in the background or some sort of auto background noise that I may have in this room. So I just finished listening to that audio sample we just recorded, and let me just say the audio was actually pretty decent. It did sound a little bit robotic, but compared to some of the other earbuds I recently tested out, I think these ones didn't do too bad, honestly. So the noise cancellation, the 4 different microphones that they have embedded in these earbuds do their job. You know, they're doing a really good job of actually eliminating some of that background noise you would typically get, especially if you're out in public and stuff like that. So I can say that these earbuds do have pretty good microphones. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this Truefree A1 wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Well, you guys saw with my demonstration, these earbuds are pretty solid, and especially with them being budget earbuds, you're offered a lot of different features. You know, you have pretty good sound quality, the microphones perform really nicely as well, and you also have all those touch control settings. You know, touch control, you can use like Google Assistant, you can do all these different functions, you know, accept phone calls and all that fun stuff. I didn't test it in the video, but you know, you have those different options. And then also you have the ability to only use one pair of earbuds at a time. You don't have to necessarily have both in your ears. And you know, when I tested it out, it perfectly worked. You know, basically switch simultaneously. So if you ever needed to just, you know, set aside one side of your earbuds, you definitely can with these earbuds, and it's not going to really affect your connection pairing of these earbuds. If you did find this video useful, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on post notifications on if you haven't done so already. Leave a like on the video, you know, share this video out to anybody who may be interested in a pair of wireless earbuds, and also leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns about these earbuds. Product product information, specifications, and details are listed down below in the video description, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying these earbuds. Thank you all for tuning in to this new edition of Tech Reviews, Gadgets, and More. I know I've been making this video, and I hope to see you all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.